Here's a 2.5 mile loop. Trillium is starting to come up. Look at that. Prairie trillium starting to come up. Right there it is. We're going to try to hike the whole trail today, but not sure we'll be able to or not. I'm not sure what those are.
Yeah, it is. Those are pretty. Man, I can't believe how much trilliums in here. We didn't hike this last spring.
No, we didn't hike this at all last spring. Only in the fall. Our wildflowers are just coming up. There is a lot of it here.
Yeah, fine.
And it is a wet trail too. It's alright, I ain't worrying about mud. Yes, it is a sloppy trail. Yep, somebody got a fire going. Yep. There's some big old mushrooms on that tree over there. Right there in the center of the screen. Don't know what kind they are. Yep. It is muddy. The place was dedicated as a nature preserve in 1971.
Sand underneath all this dumped piled up here by the glaciers. Pebbles and sand. There's a few places around here that you can find like pretty good sized rocks and boulders. Everything else south of here is very flat. And everything north of here is sandy because of the dunes and marshes.
We also call this trail moderately rugged.
Yeah,
Because of all the roots and stuff.
a lot of maple trees in here and beech trees. These nice big beech trees in here. We'll come up on those in a little bit. It's one of our favorite trails. Even though we just started hiking it. It's kind of a hidden trail.
Yep.
It's not well advertised.
No, it's not. It's in Porter County.
It's in between Chester and Valparaiso.
Yeah, in Porter County.
We're probably about 10 minutes from Lake Michigan. 15 miles south of Lake Michigan.
It says it is a phenomenon of sand, soil, and gravel deposits which run from southern Wisconsin through northern Illinois and northwestern Indiana into west central Michigan.
It's going to be down there in the little hollow down the ravine.
Yeah, we just ran into some May apples and just now starting to come up.
Yeah, they just started popping up. Just starting to open.
Just trying to make a quick video so I can have time this weekend to edit our other videos. Ah, root grabbed me.
Yeah, a root.
Because it's supposed to rain this weekend, so
Yep.
I should have time to edit our
Out here Saturday
Smoky
morning,
Mountain
to that other trail.
Smoky Mountain videos. Definitely will go back there. If you haven't ever been there, you should make it a priority on your bucket list to go there. It is beautiful. Even if you don't hike. Hey, there's some more flowers. Even if you don't hike, just a road trip driving through the mountains is beautiful. Got a fence up right here. They're doing some kind of research about how the plants and stuff grows when the deers cannot get to them. Yeah. It is a muddy trail today though. It's alright. Yep, no butterfly. Hey, oh, that tree there's been naughty. Yeah. Some people are peeping. Found some wild leeks. Found a bunch of wild leeks.
Even here, these little leafy ones.
Yep.
With the red down there.
Yep.
Kind of like an onion.
Garlic and onion. And that there I do not agree with.
That's sad. That is big.
It's a big beech tree. It's sad people want to deface them like that. Cannot stand graffiti like that or any kind of graffiti.
There's some more May apples coming up.
Yep, more May apples right there coming up. May apples are cool. I like them. Jan likes the trillium. I do too. I think May apples are cool though. The flower is underneath.
I like those little gay-wing flowers.
Yeah, the gay wing flowers are pretty too.
I'd never seen it before, so they're really
You guys will see that in the Smoky Mountain video.
Abrams Falls.
Yep, Abrams Falls. That's the only place in the Smoky Mountains you can find them is on that trail. That's what they say.
Only a few places.
Don't hold me to it. Oh, there's a whole bunch more leaks over there. Look at that. Whole side of the hill is full of them. Yeah, we didn't know they were even here.
Spring forage, dude.
Oh, something got eaten.
That's an owl pellet. That's what that is.
Yep.
Owl pellet.
I'm looking for mushrooms because I figure all these flowers coming up, mushrooms should start coming up.
Yeah, the morels. Pheasant backs.
I like the pheasant backs. Otherwise, real name is dryad saddle.
Oh, these are different.
This is really
Quite right.
really weird. Look how much drier this section is compared to that other section.
Well, let's say we're on a hillside.
Yeah, we are on. I know we're on a hillside.
It's drained away.
Thank goodness, because I wouldn't want to go down here when it's freaking sopping wet. Yeah, it's gonna be really mucky down there. We'll figure it out. Yeah, I had them out. I had the trekking poles out, and I was like, "Oh wait, I got to do this," and then I forgot about them. Yep.
Roots dipped in. I had never used a trekking pole. I had a hiking pole.
Yep.
Stick. Wouldn't stick.
There's a wet mess over there.
Yeah.
Yep. There's the sun starting to set. I hope.
Big rock.
Yeah, there is a big old rock right there.
Around here.
Well, around here it is, yeah. Yeah. Yep. Now we have to turn around. All right. Best way to get over this. Yeah, because it is muddy. Let's say, yeah, it is actually flowing. Yeah, it is. I think I'm gonna go this way. Yes, it would. Are they? Good. Awesome. Yeah. Yep. Maybe I went the wrong way.
Oh boy.
Do-do-do.
Actually, step over. Just come through here and step over here. Yeah, that's kind of bad. Mushy.
Oh, there. Ah, my foot's wet now. I knew it would be. That's all right.
I love my offers, but the nails are wanting to like water resistant. my pants in the mud. I'll be soaking wet.
And now going up the little hill. I can say it's a little hill now compared to what we hiked last week.
I know, this is nothing compared to what we hiked last week.
Today is April the 16th.
We're totally unprepared for what we hiked last week.
Yeah.
We used this trail as our training ground.
And it didn't train very good.
We didn't do a very good job. I mean, it helped.
Hey, what though? That Abram
It's hard to
Falls,
find a hill around us.
that Abram Falls trail is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is. It is. It is not for a beginner hiker though. And when they say it takes 3 to 4 hours to complete it, they mean 4 to 5 hours.
For slow hikers.
For slow hikers. We're slow hikers. We like to look at all the plant and wildlife around.
And we're not the most fit either. Working on that. Fitness level. Yeah. And it's a little voice screaming.
Probably.
Noise. Sounds like a child. Making noises.
You gonna make it?
Yep, I'm fine.
We made it to the top.
Yeah, we don't go back down. It's flat up here.
Alrighty, this here's the end of the first part of the loop. You're gonna walk along the, gonna walk the road to get back to the parking lot.
I still like to try fishing when I see it.
Yeah, I would too.
It's always so still.
Yeah,
I've seen turtles.
there might be fish in there. I don't know.
Yeah, there's some fish in there. Yeah, it's just a little bit.
Something's bubbling up on the dang on top of the water. Pull and try it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of snags in there.
Yeah, there
You
it
have
is.
to get out over there.
Yeah, you gotta get on the other side. You can get over there from right up here. Trees are starting to bud.
Brown fresh fruit. Have a bite back.
Listen to the peepers. Peeper frogs. You see a lot of trillium in our Smoky Mountain videos. There is a lot of trillium. A lot of wildflowers. A lot of swallowtails. Butterflies. I don't know if we got her or not, but Jan was out there with a bunch of them surrounded her, and whoosh, she just took off right around her. I wasn't videoing at the time. Yeah, there was a lot of them. I am surprised too there's no deer out. Where?
Straight into right.
Oh yeah, he is. Way over there.
Or she, he or she.
I don't know if you can see him running
Tail.
right back there. Sitting there talking about it, and then you see one. Yep, there's another one. See the tail run right there. There it is, right in the middle of the screen. There's another one. You can see the tail in the weeds. Yep. Yep, just talking about them when they show up. Back at the car. Yep, we're going to take the second part of the loop. Got a new plate that came in. Put it on the car. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Natural Resources, Division of Nature Preserves. We're going up here in the second part. And did you know your environmental plates helps? Yep. No horses, no vehicles, no bicycles. Dogs must remain on leash. Alright, we're going to go up this way. And we're off. Yep, we will. Yep, second half. Yeah, it's like coating underneath of it. It is weird. I think this is only the second time we've done this part of the trail.
Yeah. It winds around, follows this ravine to the right. Still some roots in the trail.
Yeah, there's a few roots. Oh, there's a down tree they cut up. Yeah, that's a fresh one too. That's a big one. Oh, that's two of them. That one right there came up by the roots, and that one over there came up by the roots. Nope.
Like the other half is behind this half. We wouldn't have made it through there.
Yeah, in a couple weeks I'll come through here and make another video of just wildflowers.
See how things have progressed. Sunset through the trees over there. It's real red.
Yeah.
In the trees. Oh, we got a mud hole.
Yeah, we got a mud hole.
It's because it all drains across the field right now.
It's a grass hole.
Into the ravine.
Alright. Let you go first. Into the wetness. Sloshy slosh. Yeah, oh wow, there's a bunch more leaks. Holy crap, there's a whole lot of leaks. That ground's got a leak in it.
Hey!
Tell you what, we were gone to the Smokies for that 1 week. It really changed everything around here that 1 week.
Yeah, it got warm.
It did, it got warm.
Well, Sarah, my sister posted that they were having a campfire, the first one of the year, the same weekend we left, so.
Tripped by a stick. the ravine. And I know my video's shaky, but can't help it. It'll get better. Hopefully.
Yep.
And we're also gonna try to do some other things besides hiking. Other different videos. Not gonna say what yet. Don't want to spoil it.
Nope. I want to go this way.
Yeah, you want to go to the left. If you ever come here and you want to hike, go to the left, to the Y. You don't want to go to the right. Alright, it's getting dark. So the video might not turn out that good. I just want to play it so you all can hear all the birds. Yeah, there's a train in the background too. Big old boulder over there. Right inside there. Branch got her. Sticker bush.
Sticker bushes hurt even when they're dead.
Yeah, he's way out here on the trail. Yep, another deer trail. Up through there. And up through there.
Probably the same deer we saw over there.
Probably. Running from one side to the other.
Yeah.
Alright. Almost back to the car.
We're almost there.
These cars right over there.